Ginger water is the most natural and powerful solution to stubborn fat. But always remember to exercise and maintain a healthy diet alongside to reap its maximum benefits. Bring the water to a boil and then add 5 to 6 thin slices of ginger root. Ginger improves blood circulation, strengthens immune system, relieves joint pain and improves digestion. Simmer the mixture for 15 minutes and let it cool. Strain and add a few drops of lemon and your drink is ready. Have this powerful drink every day before breakfast and dinner, and it will help you burn fat from your thighs, hips, waist and combat other illnesses without having to burn a hole in your pocket. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.